And thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hayiwale, and in this video I want to show you how I was able to get my edge beaver. I was able to get my edge smoother. I use this to smoothen the edges of the leather. Yes, I was able to get this out. That is what I want to show you in this video. This is very, very important. Yes, I got this on eBay. I ordered this on eBay, and it's an handy one. But this cannot really do what I want to do, because I want to work on hundreds of belts, and working on these numbers of belts, this manual edge smoother can't just work it at all. So I walked into a saw mill very close to me, Lagos, Nigeria. In there, I walk in there and I engage one of the worker in there to help me get this out. So to see how I get this out, Lagos, Nigeria, myself, and how I was able to input that. I was able to input that on the machine, fix it, and how I get to use that to smoothen all my belts. You will be able to see that in this video. If you're a first timer, please, I'd like you to like this video, not just liking the video, subscribe, and while you subscribe, hit the notification bell to get updates when I subsequent upload on this platform. Let's go see how I do justice to this. Yes, I've smoothened this, how I did this. That is what I want to show you in this video.